Welcome back to the channel. So the goal today is we're gonna try, well, we're not gonna try, we're gonna do it. Today we're gonna do it. We're gonna put this car back on the ground. But what we need to do first is we have to install the sway bar and then install the brake line on this side from there to here. And then also I have to take all this crap off so I can drill a hole right there and then run the brake line from inside the cabin out to here. And then kind of tidy up all the wiring that's here. Then we have to cap off the fuel over here, then install the fender liners, and I think that's it. And then we can put the car back on the ground. You know, this car has been a minute. Well, actually, you know, I think this car, I built it quicker than my car. So let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have to install this bracket right there. So bear with me, guys. Today is my off day. It's just me, so I'm a lone cameraman slash mechanic slash Mr. Do-It-All. So might get some shaky camera movement today, unless I'm not finished by the time I go pick up Jaden from school. So let's hop right into it. All right, you gotta put the back one in first. That's right, baby. We got Downstar hardware in here. All right, so now we have to somewhat kind of center it and then take the bushings off again. That way we can grease it so it doesn't squeak or anything. I'm gonna do that right now. All right, guys. So I torqued down. I mean, I didn't torque, but I basically installed the sway bar and all the brackets and everything already. I didn't tighten down anything yet because I want to wait until the car is on the ground. That way we have a preload and then can tighten it. And also, I apologize for the last few clips. I had the garage door open and I was too occupied with this. I forgot to close it. So what we're gonna do now, I think, is we're gonna move on to install this brake line on this side, which is the one that goes from there to here. So now the dreaded side. I have to drill that hole and run that line, which is this line, I believe. It's this one. That's dreaded because I have to do it by myself. But we gotta get it done anyways, right? So let's do this. So we're done with the brake lines completely. So that's all set. Next, what we're gonna do is just tidy up all this wiring. All right, fender on. That's what it's hitting. So we have a problem. I have to rotate this whole ABS unit because the fender is hitting it. Alright, so I know what we're gonna do. Originally, I had it sitting like that. So what I'm gonna have to do now is rotate this so that it sits like that. Fab up a little L bracket that goes from here to here, and I think we should be good. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Be right back. All right, fixed it. We should have plenty of clearance now. Oh yeah, we have like a whole inch of clearance. Not too shabby. All right, let's try to put this back on. You guys want to see authentic Chasing J's? J's Racing parts. This is why I hate J's Racing. Literally, look at all these holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And literally only 2 of them line up. Look how off that is. See that? Yeah. That's why I don't like JS Racing. But we'll make it work. Look at that though. Car's back. Looks like a car again. All right, so I kind of made the holes a little bit bigger. It's time to get nasty. This is what we're gonna do. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's put this other fender on.
We'll put the piece here first.
The engine delivers full power.
It has to go in the last finger.
Don't worry about that one.
Yeah. Can you give me those plastic clips, Jaden? That box that has the plastic clip.
Daddy found it right there. That's the daddy.
Yeah, the old cool. This one.
Go park there.
Right. Hey, Kaden, you know what?
What's up?
I bet. You know, we should. I'm gonna just drill this hole bigger, bro. We can use these clips.
Yeah.
Oh Once we put this on, I don't think you can ever get it off, Kaden.
Hanging on too.
Because it's tight.
So first I went with a stiff motor mount. Not
None, bro.
You have, but
None.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine might break the glove. But it feels like when I first got the car, the shift is just there. Before, I remember even like on low RPMs, I was using more gas to move. Because the motor was just completely loose from the body. Shot that I broke
You
it.
fit?
Because it kept vibrating. Real bad, it was just the motor shaking.
Yeah, bro. That was a good idea.
Yeah, doing this side too?
Yeah. All right, bro. She's ready.
All right, guys, well, I'm out of here, man.
All right, brother.
Maybe even pull mine out, maybe put this in.
Yeah.
Think about it.
I haven't even opened mine yet. See, this is the ballistic way. Titanium, everything, baby. Oh well, it's not going nowhere.
I heard crackling.
Yeah, it's fiberglass. Should crack. It's supposed to crack. Alright. Alright guys, I think that's it for today's video. We pretty much are ready to sit the car on the ground. We just got to throw the wheels on there, but I was thinking we're gonna wait for the next video because I want to put the side skirts on, and then I think we're gonna do the splitter install also in the next video, and then we can drop the car on the ground. All right, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you do, remember to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and remember, authenticity is king. Peace out, and I love you guys. Peace.
Mm-hmm.